What's going on, everybody? I'm Brandon from Walker's Woodworks. Today I just wanted to kind of make a video updating the channel and the shop and letting you guys know what's been going on and what's going to go on in the near future. So stay tuned. So as some of you may know, if you've been watching the channel for a while, I have another business doing reselling, and the past year I've just really been putting a ton of effort, time, and money into that, trying to grow it. So YouTube is kind of fallen off to the wayside, unfortunately, but I am going to keep putting out videos. At least one per month is my goal. I'm going to keep doing woodworking. Obviously, the shop's not going anywhere, but I just don't have enough time to put into these huge projects. So I think what I'm going to do, actually my next one will be a fairly decent project. It's going to be a desk, spoiler alert, so stick around for that. That'll be coming out mid-September sometime. But after that, I think maybe I'll do a lot more shop builds. You guys seem to really enjoy those. Tips and tricks type videos, and then throw in a project here or there. You guys let me know down in the comments below what you would rather see. So that's what I've been up to. It's also been unseasonably hot this year, like over 100 every day for some reason, for weeks on end, which makes it not that enjoyable to be out in the shop when you're trying to film and build and you're sweating everywhere. It's just not, it's not ideal. So that's another reason I haven't been uploading videos lately. But since we're here, I might as well show you guys a couple new products I got in the shop, right? If you guys have been following a while, you know I used to work for a Bidwell Wood Company, and they actually came out with their own wood oil. It's actually Atomic Finishes, but same company. Atomic Finishes came out with their own wood oil. It's really good. It's clear. It doesn't have that yellow hue to it. Super easy to apply. Just kind of apply it, let it soak in, wipe off the excess, and you're pretty much done. They also have, if you can see behind me here, a lot of pigments, and they have their own Tyvek tape. It's not the Tyvek brand. It actually works really well. It's 3-inch, so you get a lot more coverage, and it's way cheaper than like the other stuff. But yeah, a whole line of pigments, and I believe they're coming out with some epoxy, and they also have the C channel, obviously, which is now laser cut, and they have thicker options, which is great. And as always, they carry all the Rampa hardware. Plus, they're doing a bunch of other stuff, so I will leave links to them down below. You guys check them out. You can use my code for a discount. Go get yourself some new finish. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. Second and most recent thing is, you guys know I work with Pony Jorgensen. Love those people over there. They are getting into the rotary and multi-tool game. So they got this multi-tool blade kit. Hopefully you can see that. And they also have a rotary tool attachment kit, which is pretty cool. It's got all kinds of different attachments in there. It's zip tied, so I can't open it. But looks to be good stuff. If it's anything like their clamps, I know it's going to work amazing. So I'll leave a link to that below as well. Check them out. For those of you that are still watching, I know it's a pretty boring video and it's not going to get a lot of views, but that's all right because you guys that are watching are the real supporters of this channel, and I appreciate you more than you will ever know. I am going to try to put more effort into the channel. Like I said, I just don't have a lot of time. And if you want me to be real with you, the YouTube burnout is real. Social media and all that stuff. I mean, I've been doing this since 2017 or whatever, like pretty hardcore, especially like Instagram and stuff. I mean, I was posting every day, 2 times, 3 times a day sometimes. So I went like real hard for years, and it's just like catches up with you over time, you know? And if you're anything like me, it's like I've done tens of, hobbies over the years, a lot. 20, 30 different types of hobbies, and went real deep into it, and then just kind of got burned out and bored and moved on to other stuff. Woodworking has been sort of that, but it also is still something I enjoy. So I definitely am going to continue doing it. Don't think I'm going anywhere. But yeah, it just, it became a lot. So that's kind of where I'm at. I figured I'd be real with you guys for a minute. I appreciate you watching this video. Like I said, all the links to this stuff will be down below in the description, as well as links to my website. You guys can still get all my woodworking plans there and everything. I'm going to try to come up with some more, especially like maybe on the desk. I don't know. We'll see. But we'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, go check this one out while you're waiting. See you soon.